Well, it's raining again. It's our second afternoon here in Blue Ridge in the mountains. And the first night it rained all night, from the time the sun went down until well after the sun came up. But we got through it. Dad was cold, he's in a hammock, but he's alright. We managed to dry out, and just about the time that everything dried out, it started raining again. So, just thought I would document it, and let's hope we stay dry and somewhat warm tonight. No fire, too wet for that. This has been a pretty rough camping trip, but it's been still fun, and I got some awesome pictures, so I hope it's all worth it. Alright, bye-bye.